How to delete trip history on Uber app. Welcome to Glitz and let's get right into this video. For this, if you check out the Uber support, you can easily delete your Uber ride history. In order to do so, open up your Uber application and tap on the three horizontal line. When you tap on it, you should find the option called History. When you tap on it, scroll down until you see a designated ride that you want to delete from your ride history. Just tap on the delete ride and tap on delete for confirmation. By this way, you shall be able to easily delete your trip history on Uber app. If you cannot perform this step, open up your Uber and head to the account option. Since this feature is not launched in most of the region, it might not be available for you as well. In that case, select on the option of Help. Then search for the instruction for deleting your account. This is because Uber does not have a designated option for deletion of ride in certain region. So if it's your region, you actually have to delete your Uber account as a whole. And that is pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.